In this example, we are asked to complete the table using the graph. So we have this graph with a function on it. And so because it's a function, we know that the x-coordinates are telling us the horizontal movement and the y-coordinate is giving us the vertical movement. So in this first example here, we want to fill in this first space, which gives us the y-coordinate, so we need to fill in the x-coordinate. So it's giving us the y-coordinate, which is our vertical movement. So I'm going to start at the origin, and I'm going to move up or down. Because it's -5, I'm going to move down 5 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So anywhere along this horizontal line of y is -5, is where we want that function to cross. It actually happens to cross right here on the axis, which means that our x-coordinate is going to be 0 because there was no horizontal movement. So the point is 0, -5, which means I want to fill in a 0 for that first space. So next, we want to fill in this second row here, and it's giving us the x-coordinate, which means it's giving us horizontal movement. So we need to find the vertical movement, the y-coordinate. So if I start at the origin, I know that I need to move 1 space to the right because, again, the x-coordinate is horizontal and it's positive, so we move to the right 1. So anywhere along this vertical line where x is 1 is where we want that function to cross. And it will cross right here. And that is the point, -1, obviously. I'm sorry, +1, not negative, duh. And then we move down, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces down. So that will make it -6. So I can fill in a -6 in that space. For our last piece, they give us the y-coordinate of -7. So I'm going to start at my origin, and I'm going to move down because it's -7 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So anywhere along this horizontal line is where we want to look for that function to cross. And here it is. So I need to know how many spaces to the left or right it moved. Well, from the axis, it moved 2 spaces to the right, so that will make a +2. And then, of course, we move down -7. So in the table, I'm going to fill in a +2. And that means that we are done.